Hi guys, I am Soumali and welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Haryali potato tikka. So for the recipe, here I have taken some leaves. This is coriander leaves, mint leaf, this is lemon, green chilli, ginger and garlic. First I have to put all the ingredients into the blending cup and make it a fine paste. Add lemon juice, add salt, oil, nice and smooth paste is ready. Into the big mixing bowl, first I need to add thick yogurt, then put this mixture, now give it a nice mix. Into the mixture I have to add 2 teaspoons of chickpeas flour or besan. Now mix again. Mixing is ready. Now I have to add some dry spices like coriander powder and garam masala powder. Now mix well. Now I am going to add this boiled potato which is already boiled with little bit of salt. Now mix well and coat it nicely. Now add all the veggies like this is green bell pepper, seedless tomato and onion slices. Mix them very nicely. After a good mixing, I have to leave it for 30 minutes in refrigerator. After 30 minutes, now I am going to set it for baking. So here I have taken some barbecue sticks. These are very thin, so I am going to use 2 at a time. So first I took tomato slices and put it, then put a piece of potato, then take a slice of onion, I have already set all the vegetables one by one into the stick. Now it is ready to go into the preheated oven. I have already preheated my oven in 180 degrees centigrade. Now I have to roast it for 15 minutes in 180 degrees centigrade. After 15 minutes I need to brush the oil on the top of the sticks. and then it will again put into the microwave for another 10 minutes. The recipe is nicely done, so try the recipe at your home and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this recipe, please subscribe my YouTube channel and get some new recipes. Till then, bye bye.